Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. A black monolith and verdant embrace. A black modern house in a tropical forest is a daring architectural statement, a stark contrast against the riotous palette of green. It is a structure that commands attention, a solitary, monolithic form that seems to have emerged organically from the primordial landscape. The house is not merely a dwelling, it is a sculpture, a work of art that engages in a dynamic dialogue with its surroundings. The blackness of the exterior is a bold choice that serves multiple purposes. It is a visual counterpoint to the vibrant hues of the forest, creating a striking and memorable silhouette. Furthermore, in the intense tropical sunlight, black surfaces can absorb heat, potentially mitigating the need for excessive cooling. This is a crucial consideration in a climate characterized by high temperatures and humidity. However, the choice of materials is paramount. A poorly executed black exterior could become an oven-like environment. Hence, the architects must carefully select materials with high thermal resistance and reflectivity to prevent overheating. The house's form is likely to be minimalist and geometric, echoing the principles of modern architecture. Clean lines and sharp angles create a sense of order and precision that stands in stark contrast to the organic, flowing forms of the forest. Yet, the house must also harmonize with its environment. To achieve this, the architects can incorporate biophilic design elements, such as incorporating natural materials like wood or stone into the facade. Curved edges or undulating walls can also help to soften the building's impact and create a more fluid transition between the house and the forest. Large expanses of glass are essential for connecting the interior with the exterior. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views of the lush canopy, blurring the boundaries between indoors and out. However, to protect the interior from excessive heat and glare, the glass must be of high quality, with low-E coatings and solar control films. Additionally, the orientation of the house is crucial. By carefully positioning the building, architects can maximize natural light and ventilation while minimizing solar heat gain. The roof is another critical design element. A flat roof is a common feature of modern architecture, but in a tropical forest, it may not be the most practical choice. A sloping roof can help to shed rainwater efficiently, preventing leaks and mold growth. Moreover, a green roof covered in native vegetation can provide additional insulation, reduce stormwater runoff, and create a habitat for wildlife. The materials used in the construction of the house must be carefully selected to withstand the harsh tropical climate. Durable, weather-resistant materials such as concrete, steel, and glass are ideal choices. However, to minimize the building's environmental impact, it is essential to use sustainable materials whenever possible. Local timber, for example, can be incorporated into the design, adding warmth and texture to the facade. A dark sanctuary in the green. Interior design of a black modern rainforest house. The interior of a black modern house in the rainforest is a fascinating interplay of light, shadow, and nature. This space is a sanctuary, a place of retreat from the vibrant, overwhelming exterior, while simultaneously offering intimate connections with the natural world. The dominant color, black, continues its exterior role as a grounding element. It provides a dramatic backdrop for the interplay of light and shadow, creating a sense of depth and mystery. However, unlike the exterior, the interior black is often softened through the use of materials. Matte black finishes on walls and ceilings absorb light, while polished black surfaces like marble or granite reflect it, adding complexity to the space. Natural light is the other primary player in the interior design. The house's orientation and the strategic placement of large windows frame specific views of the rainforest, bringing the outside in. This interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere. To harness this natural light, reflective surfaces are often employed, bouncing light around the space and amplifying its impact. Materials play a crucial role in defining the interior's character. The use of natural materials such as wood, stone, and leather introduces warmth and texture, contrasting the cool, sleek surfaces of the black elements. These materials can be used in flooring, furniture, and accents, creating a sense of grounding and connection to the earth. The furniture should be minimalist and functional, with clean lines and simple forms. Leather or dark tone fabrics are ideal for upholstery, adding depth and richness to the space. The furniture should be strategically placed to maximize the views and the interplay of light and shadow. One key design element is the incorporation of indoor plants. These bring the rainforest inside, creating a sense of harmony and biophilia. Large, leafy plants can be placed in strategic locations to soften the hard edges of the architecture and add a touch of the outdoors. Lighting is essential in creating the desired atmosphere. A combination of natural light, artificial lighting, and carefully placed mirrors can be used to create a variety of moods. Soft, diffuse lighting can create a sense of intimacy, while accent lighting can highlight specific features of the space. The overall ambience of the interior should be one of calm and serenity. The contrast between the dark, minimalist aesthetic and the lush, vibrant rainforest creates a sense of balance and harmony. The house becomes a retreat, a place to reconnect with oneself and with nature. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.